Hi guys, today I'm working on 2014 GL450. I'm trying to replace the radiator. This is my first time doing this on this vehicle. So let's go through it together and see. Now I'm going to, I would like to remove these holes just to make space for the radiator to come out. And I think this is connected to, let me get some light in here. Okay. Okay. I will go ahead and unplug this and disconnect this. We might have some coolant leak. This should be enough. I don't think we need to disconnect this one. Even this one. Maybe we don't need to disconnect it. If we can just hold it back, I think we should be okay. We should be okay. 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 Now we need to remove the fan, the radiator fan first. Alright, trying to remove the the fan. There's a plug here on top. Let me move my camera real quick. Let me adjust this. Okay. There's a plug here on top for the fan. And Alright, I will just, there's two clips, one on the left, one on the right, that hold the fan on the radiator. So you just push it back and should be able to lift it up. Let's be careful. Yes. Something is blocking it. Okay. Okay. It's being blocked by these holes, this radiator hose here. So now attempt to remove this. Okay. Even this one, I would really like to get it out of the way so it doesn't break. Okay. 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 Let me okay. All right. Okay. Now we should be able to get the fan out. It's tight here, so you need to be careful. heating the condenser line in there. Okay. Okay. Is out. Now we have the radiator. This is leaking coolant. I don't know exactly where the coolant leak is coming from, so let me put some coolant in the vehicle and see where the drip is coming from. But based off my initial investigation, it looked like it was coming straight from the bottom of the radiator. But now that we have enough clearance, let's try again and see where it's leaking from. So I will just go ahead and just add distilled water. It's going to come out anyway, so let's do that. Okay. Let me move the camera and let's go under the vehicle. See, it's leaking. Looks like it's leaking straight from the radiator. You see that? From the bottom of the radiator. Yeah. So let's go ahead and replace the radiator. I think we can confirm now that the radiator is bad. So I was able to finally remove the radiator from the booth. I use a pry bar and put the pry bar here and just I put the pry bar here and just pry it off, lift it up, and it came off finally. Now I'm going to lift off the radiator. So on the left, we have all kind of connections. I have to do a lot of wiggling, especially on the left side. A lot of AC line holes, so you need to be careful. The right side is okay, the driver's side is okay. This side, it's very tight. There you go. There it is. It's off. Just a lot of patience. It's not that hard, but just a lot of patience. So, this radiator was leaking from here. This crack. See here, this crack over here. So when the coolant was coming in, it was leaking right out of here. So yeah. All right, guys, I will go ahead and put the new one in.